you guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Nehal. If you're new to this channel, I would be really glad if you could just take out 2 seconds of your time and subscribe to my channel below. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about my January 2026 favorites, and I'm going to be sharing all the products that I've used throughout the month, and I am absolutely in love with them. And I'm actually also thinking about making this like a monthly thing where at the end of the month, I'm going to tell you all my month's favorites. So what better than starting with the first month of the year, right? Out of all the products that I'll be mentioning, if you are someone who uses the same products, don't forget to let me know in the comments below. So starting with the first product, I'm obsessed with this lip balm and I cannot tell you how much I've used it. In fact, I've applied it right now and I have it in my pocket. I always carry this with me no matter what because it's so tinted and so pigmented that I don't have to use anything else. And since it's winters, lip balm is definitely my go-to. I don't use anything else. And since the time I've actually found out about this, there is no going back. I don't think there's going back in summers also. There's another color available in this which has a little bit of a pink note. So I think I'm gonna go and purchase that as well because it has a great formulation and I totally love this product by Dot & Key. Like I mentioned, since it's winters, there's another thing that I use aggressively, and that is my hand cream. And this is the one that I'm talking about. There was this time when I was obsessed with Body Shop products, and till date, अगर मैंने बाकी चीजें use करनी बंद कर दी, this is something that I use on a regular basis. No matter अगर winters है कि summers है, monsoon है, whatever the season is, this is something that I use, and it hydrates my hands instantly. It gives the right moisture, and I love it, especially this fragrance because it just gives me the best smell, and I love it. So since we are already talking about beauty, this is something that I'm obsessed with currently. I'm actually wearing it right now. It's the blush by Lakme. I actually have two variants of this. One is this light one and one is this dark one. I'm not sure if you'll believe कि मैंने बहुत थोड़ा सा लगा रखा है, as in one dot here, one dot here, and one dot here. And this is the pigment that it's giving me. This is the pink one that I've used right now, by the way. जो red वाला है, that's even darker. चाहे आप इतना सा भी लो, it gives you a lot of pigment, which is great. But for my skin tone, because I have a slightly fairer skin tone, तो मेरे ऊपर वो बहुत ज़्यादा red लगता है. So I think this is the right shade for me. I use the darker one a bit rarely, but this is something that I use almost daily. So the next thing that I'm obsessed with is this bag from Miragio. I bought it recently and I have been obsessed since then. I've actually received a lot of compliments for it because of its shape, its color, its sturdiness, its material. It's literally a 10 on 10. It's too beautiful and it actually works really well for me क्योंकि ये दिखता छोटा है but it is so spacious inside, and I actually have a habit of carrying my entire house with me whenever I'm leaving the place. So this actually solves the purpose and it definitely is a great style statement. So the next thing that I was obsessed with in January was Stranger Things. I know a lot of you have already watched it. I know a lot of you are already big fans of it, but I'm actually a recent addition in the fan club of Stranger Things. I started watching Stranger Things I think in the second week of Jan, and I'm still watching it, of course. I am a person जो binge watch करता है बहुत सारा, but since the last couple of days have been so hectic for me because I was not well and then I had a lot of workload, तो वो मुझसे हो नहीं पाया, and I was so tired by the time I got back home कि मैं पूरी रात बैठ के binge watch करूँ या मैं रात को 2-3 episodes देख के सो जाऊँ. So that wasn't possible for me. But yes, so far I'm in season 2, which is not bad, as in it's just been 2 weeks. I know it's still slow, but I think I'm going to get through it very very soon, and I'm already loving it. It's so hooking, it's so nice. I just feel कि मैंने ये पहले क्यों नहीं देखा. अब जब पूरी दुनिया ने पूरा finale season भी देख लिया, that is when I'm actually starting. But I think it's never too late, so that's okay. And since we're already talking about web series, there's another web series that I absolutely loved in Jan, which is called Taskari. It is so good. I'm sure ये भी बहुत लोगों ने देख ली होगी, but अगर आपने नहीं देखी है, please go and watch it. You know, it's all about the customs और कैसे fraud होता है, how people smuggle things to India and everything. Is just too good. I mean, it's just crazy कि लोगों का कितना दिमाग चलता है. I mean, I was so hooked to it कि ये मैंने definitely 2 दिन या 2 रातों में I think complete कर लिया था. And I totally loved it. I would really recommend you guys to watch it if you haven't. And now coming to my last obsession for the month is this Gabbett ring. It is actually a fitness tracker. I'm sure कि आप लोगों के पास भी इसके ads आते होंगे. If not, if you don't know what this is actually a fitness tracker. This basically tracks your stress, your calories, your periods, your steps, your heartbeat, your everything, as in whatever is fitness related. It tracks each and everything and it's so accurate क्योंकि I used to wear a watch, but इसमें काफी features ऐसे हैं जो watch में नहीं थे. And this is something which is an accessory, so you wear it, you sleep with it, you do everything. But for me, watch is something that I cannot wear all the time, as in it's very uncomfortable. Jewelry और ये सब तो मैं पहन के भी सो जाती हूँ, मुझे उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. So this is something that doesn't bother me as much as my watch used to bother me. So I think this is a very, very good purchase. And the fact that it is pretty accurate is something which is great, and it is definitely a useful product. So yeah, these were my January favorites. Let me know what was that one thing that you were obsessed with in January, and I would actually love to try it out. Like, why not? So yeah, I will be mentioning all the links in the description जिसके मैं दे सकती हूँ. And I'm gonna see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I love you.